Today we will talk about passive voice of present continuous tense. In active form, as we know, subject is MR plus under bracket not before plus object, and this object becomes subject. So in passive, object plus is MR plus under bracket not plus being plus V3 by agent or object. He is playing cricket. Cricket is being played by him. Interrogative and negative is MR plus subject under bracket not before object sign of interrogation. Are you playing cricket? And in the passive is MR plus object, that is subject under bracket not plus being plus V3 by agent or object. Is cricket being played by you? In the same way, WH word is MR plus subject under bracket not before object sign of interrogation. The example is how is he playing cricket? Now the passive form WH word plus is MR plus under bracket subject, that is object becomes subject under bracket not plus being plus V3 by agent object. How is cricket being played by him? Now the passive of present perfect tense, subject have has under bracket not V3 object. He has taken tea. The passive form, that object becomes subject, have has under bracket not been plus V3 by agent or object. Tea has been taken by him. Now interrogative, have has subject under bracket not V3 object sign of interrogation. Had he taken tea? In the same way, have has, that object becomes subject under bracket not been plus V3 by agent object. Has tea been taken by him? WH word have has plus subject not V3 object sign of interrogation. In the same way, WH word have has object subject under bracket not plus been V3 by agent or object. Why has he made this mistake? In the same way, why has this mistake been made by him? Students, I hope that all of you must have understood about present continuous and present perfect. Now, third one, passive of simple past, subject V2 plus object. This will change into subject was verb plus V3 by agent object. He wrote a letter. In the same way, a letter was written by him. Now negative, subject did not V1 object. He did not write a letter. Passive form, object was verb not V3 by agent or object. A letter was not written by him. Now interrogative, did he not write a letter? In the same way, was a letter not written by him? Now WH word plus did plus subject not V1 object sign of interrogation. When did he inform you? In the same way, WH word was verb subject under bracket not V3 by agent or object. When were you informed by him? Now the passive of past continuous tense, subject was verb under bracket not before object. He was playing cricket. In the same way, this object will become subject. Subject was verb under bracket not being V3 by agent. Cricket was being played by him. Now interrogative was verb plus subject under bracket not V4 object sign of interrogation. Was he playing cricket? In the same way, was verb subject under bracket not being plus V3 by agent or object. Was cricket being played by him? Now WH word was verb plus subject under bracket not before object sign of interrogation. Where was he playing cricket? In the same way, WH word was verb, that object will become subject under bracket not being plus V3 by agent or object. Where was cricket being played by him? So for today, you have been taught 4 passive forms of the kinds of tense, and the rest will be taught in the next class.